Alrighty, guys, let's talk real quick. Y'all remember this car? Yes, actually, that first video, this the compass from hell. Y'all remember I did that? What was it? 4 or 5 days ago? Yeah, still here, same spot, same bat channel, same bat station. However, I do see a AC machine over here that wasn't over here the last time we did it, and also I saw the guy that started on it in the office today. I don't know what they was talking about, what they was doing. He's in there with the bosses, the owners, and whoever else. I don't know what's going to happen with this. But I need to clarify some things based off some of the comments I was reading, okay? I had an interesting conversation with a guy in the comment section, okay? He wasn't being a butthole or anything. He just had genuine things on his mind he wanted to ask. Man, I'm cool with that, guys. Y'all know the comment section is my friend. I love digging and playing around in there. I haven't had a chance to read all of them, but I'm going to. But anyway, let me clarify something. His concern or issue was, do we have, you can call them a shop foreman or elderly techs that help out other techs? Because in that last video, I mentioned that this guy was new. No, he wasn't new to the automotive industry. He was just new to working here. Right. So I don't know. I guess my conversation led y'all to believe that he was fresh out of school and a newbie in the industry. No, he's just a new guy that's working here that just happened to have went to school and all of that. So here's where I'm going with this. Because my buddy's concern was, why don't nobody come over and help him? And I guess I came off as looking like I was laughing at him. Okay, I was not laughing at him. This is not funny. Okay, I don't wish this on anybody. A lot of you guys saying, hell with this, man, to change careers after these sins. A lot of you guys out there used to be mechanics, say, ain't no way in the hell y'all would do this. A lot of you guys out there saying, this is why you got out of the industry. Yeah, we talked about a lot of this stuff the last time, but a lot of you guys were pretty adamant about, no, this don't pay enough. Now, guys, let me clarify something as far as pay, okay? If you're a damn good mechanic, a technician, we call us technicians, automotive service technicians. If you're damn good at what you do, you can pull six figures in this industry. Last time I said that, I caught some flack because one guy, a veteran, got on to me about leading other guys on, guys that's contemplating getting into the industry. If they hear me chattering like that, man, you can make six figures doing this, they're going to jump into it head first and get burnt. All right. Now, my thinking behind saying that was simply that as an automotive service technician, you can generate six figures in general. Okay, it don't have to be from your 9 to 5. Okay, you can make hell 60, 70,000 a year at a shop, and hell 30, 40,000 a year, doing side work. Yes, it's like that. Yes, you can make that amount of money doing side work. Now notice your side work gonna be the easy stuff that you authorize, okay? Brake jobs, things like that. But yeah, you can pull that amount, and I go a step further. You can start a YouTube channel and make even more. There's some guys out there on a YouTube channel generating more revenue than their actual job. Hint, hint. Okay. So yeah, but I love what I do. It's not like I'll quit this and go full time YouTube. I like what I do up until I'm about to do something like this. So when I say, or if you hear me saying, auto mechanics can make upwards, automotive service technician can make upwards of six figures, it's combined. All right. I don't think you can start a job in a shop. You being a new guy, you can if you can demand that much. There's techs out there making $50, $60 an hour, flat rate hour now. That's because the shop's hourly rate, labor rate has gone up. So now they can afford to pay the techs. And that's the only way they're going to keep good techs. You're not going to keep me around here with no 30 little funky dollars or 40. Yeah, so it all depends on what you can negotiate. But I want to address my buddy's issues. Yes, we do have shop foremen. We do have elderly techs, but you got to be careful when feeling sorry for somebody. As I explained to him, this guy is no leech. He's no rookie. He's no scrub. Okay. He just simply don't want to do the job. That is different than, I don't know what I'm doing. I need help. You can't say you don't know what you're doing on something like this simply because there's too much resources that will put you in the right place to show you or tell you what you're doing. Okay. You can simply go to the book or to the computer, pull up this car, put the VIN in, look up how to remove engine, and it'll give you step-by-step instruction. At that point, follow the instruction. So technically, what advantage will a shop foreman do for this guy? What can he do? Come over here and read the instructions to him? That's something a tech can do on their own. An elderly guy that my buddy was mentioning, yeah, he don't want to come over here and hold another mechanic's hand. This is just something that don't nobody want to do. It's not something that can't nobody do. Anybody can do this if anybody can read. Okay? There's a difference. Don't nobody want to do this shit. As simple as that. Can anybody do it? Absolutely. Y'all heard me crying the last time. I wouldn't want to do that. But when I get home and open my mailbox and see all them damn bills, the next morning I'm back in here bzz, 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 because a reality kick in. You gotta figure out how to get this boat out. I gotta figure out how to do that. I gotta do this. Let me read some more. Blah blah. Get her done. Get her done. So I don't want this video to be too long, but I just want to bring that up. Don't feel sorry for a guy that don't want to do the work. Feel sorry for a guy that having a hard time doing the work. And that's nobody in here. We don't hire, you know what I'm saying? Yes, we hire trainees, but trainees ain't going to wind up with something like this. This guy on a different pay scale. Okay, he on one of those pay scales where you can't say no. He's like me. You can give me an RO. I can't take that back to the dispatcher. Yo, man, I don't know what the hell wrong with this. I can't fix this. Guess what? I got to figure it out, and I got to fix it. We don't specialize. Whatever is wrong with this freaking car, whoever's dispatched to, got to figure it out. That's just the world we live in. So you can suck it up and be good at what you do, or whine while you doing what you do. Whining ain't going to do you no good, because you chose this career move. You chose this path. Make the best of it, buddy. So I'm going to end this video, man. But I want to get that point across that this is the difference between not wanting to do something and just simply can't do something. All right. This is doable. It just don't nobody want to freaking do it. Not even me. The elderly guy that my buddy was mentioning. Elderly, when you say elderly tech, I'm assuming you mean 50, 60, 70-year-old tech. Yeah, he don't want this. He don't want it. Do you think he don't know how? No, that's a learning curve. Guys, this is new to everybody in here. Don't nobody, it ain't like, go ask the last guy that pulled one out. Yeah, I don't remember seeing anybody do one. So it's a learning curve for everybody. All right, I'm talking too much. Man, that's all I have, man. But I'll let y'all know what happened to the guy. Like I said, he was in the office early. I don't know. He might come back and start back working tomorrow. But this is 4 days after I uploaded that other video. So it's 4 days later. We'll see. I'll let y'all know. AC machine over here. So somebody finna drain the coolant or the refrigerant and go for it. I don't know if they assign it to another tech. I just know it ain't me. So let me get out from over here before. I heard y'all in the comments saying, JT, they saw you over there last. You going to do it. So I don't want nobody. Everybody gone. Don't nobody know I'm over here. And I don't want nobody to see me over here. They might think I have an interest in it. No. As a matter of fact, let me slowly back away. Shh. I was never here. Shh. Y'all keep that on the low, okay? Guys, I got to go.